everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here today to of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 3rd to the 7th of November 2025 on Monday. Old wounds resurface to heal as Zolega and Lazarus fight to calm. Hlati's temper tests to mega strength and Kawe stands between family and ambition. One wrong move threatened to reopen scars no one ready to face. On Tuesday, a knock at the door changes everything for Zolega. Lazarus prepares for battle while Onga draws a harsh line with Kawe, and the secrets are surfacing and someone's running out of room to hide on Wednesday. Control slips through Hlati's hands as Tumega finally pushes back. Zolega and Lazarus take a bold stand to protect their own, but it's Kusela Kawe's determination sparks a storm she can't contain on Thursday. The lines between love and loyalty blur for Tumega and Hlati. Zolega's resolve is tested when the past knocks at her door, and at Kusela and ambition becomes the most dangerous game of all on Friday. Zolega refuses to bend under pressure as Hlati plays dirty. Lazarus faces a truth he can't escape. Kawe's humiliation forces her to choose between pride and power. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.